Hey, lovely. This week I could not figure out what to share with you in light of the police brutality, systemic racism, and the killings of innocent Black people. I'm going to share a process video with you, and while the drawing time lapse is going on, I'd like to invite you just to take the next 2.5 minutes to pause and reflect on what's going on in our world right now. You can reflect on what you're learning and unlearning, the difficult conversations you've been having or are going to have, and what you've been doing or what you can be doing to affect positive change. This illustration was inspired by Botticelli's Three Graces, but I've updated it to be more diverse. Thank you so much for taking this time to pause and reflect. I am sending you all love and stay sparkly.